This is Kontakt 8, the latest version of Native Instruments plugin. It's a sampler, an instrument player, instrument builder, a synth, and now features some brand new tools that take it to a whole new level. Kontakt 8 is a massive update, and there's lots to explore and even hidden tricks you didn't know you needed. Let's get started. By the way, all the tools I'll demo in this video are available on the free version of Kontakt called Kontakt Player as well. The interface has changed a bit, including a browser on the right and then on the left for presets. Just like in previous versions of Kontakt, you can select an instrument and a preset from the right side, and it loads that instrument into Kontakt. And then you have the presets on the left. I actually find the switching of the preset location kind of confusing. Also, when you search for specific types of sounds within the search box, it doesn't keep your search results intact when you load a sound. I think there's room for improvement in the preset browsing and searching. The tools are the most interesting thing in Kontakt 8. Let's explore chords first. Select the Tools menu and click on Chords, and you'll see a bunch of chord presets here. So load any one of these. Now you have the Chords tool up top and the instrument you loaded at the bottom. So it gives you a chord progression set that you can play across your keyboard with just one finger. And each preset has different chords. You can also choose the presets from up here and filter them by genre or type, style. You can change up the scale here, lots to choose from. You can also adjust the individual chords here. Even use the random button. Or you can even program in your own chords. You can also strum, up or down, humanize, or change the octave. You can use this tool with any Kontakt instrument, not just Native Instrument stuff. You can also drag these chords out of Kontakt to use with any other plugin. And check it out, the chords even work on the Session Guitarist series of instruments. Yeah, some cool and interesting chords on the guitar. The other new tool is called Phrases, and these are melodies that you can play, again, with one finger. You can click the preset name here to find more phrases in different genres. You can even randomize everything here. You can even rotate to change the start position of the phrase. Invert the notes. Change the tempo, swing, octave, and you can adjust dynamics with the mod wheel. You can also adjust the length of the phrase. Click the pencil icon here for more options, even reverse. And you can also drag these phrases to your DAW if you just want the MIDI. Now, one drawback I see with the Chords and Phrases tools is that they're only in Kontakt 8, which means you can only use this with Kontakt instruments, not NKS compatible instruments. Well, what does that mean? Well, Native Instruments' separate software plugin called Complete Control was the main way to access chord tools before, and you could use those tools with any plugin that was NKS compatible, and there are lots of them out there, including those from Arturia, Yuhi, and even Nexus. Now, since these brand new Chords and Phrases tools aren't available in Complete Control, you won't be able to use them with those other plugins. Hey, if this video is helpful or informative, can you take 5 seconds to hit the subscribe button? It's totally free and it would mean the world to me because it makes a huge difference in the content and value I bring to you. Leap takes loops to a whole new level. Complete Standard, Ultimate, and Collector's Editions come with 12 Leap expansions. You get the same expansions no matter which bundle you buy. If you buy Complete Select, you'll get only one expansion. Click on the Leap tab and select a kit. This loads 16 loops that you can trigger with the white keys on your keyboard or right from the screen. You can click Edit to adjust the sample. This reminds me a lot of the interface that Native Instruments has with Machine and Battery. The black keys on your keyboard will apply effects to the loops that you can trigger anytime as well. You can adjust the effects. There's lots of parameters here to adjust them just the way you want. If you click Single or the piano icon below a key, you can then play it on a keyboard with pitch shifts. Above the white and black key triggers, you have macro knobs that apply global effects as well. You can adjust the effects. There's lots of parameters here to adjust them just the way you want. You also have Send Effects. Also, you can drag in your own samples as well. You can also create leap kits from the loops available in Machine expansions, or pretty much anything on your computer. Click File, New to create a new leap kit, and then start dragging in loops. And you can access all the expansions you own. Look, these are all my loops from Machine expansions I own. I can create a limitless number of keys from this. Now, we should be seeing some leap kits coming from other companies in the future because other developers of Kontakt instruments can use the same platform to build their own leap kits. Sounds pretty fun, right? Now, I skipped over the combined tab over here. This is the tab I see Native Instruments developing more. It's a combination of an instrument and some of the tools. Check it out. So this combined preset has chosen a chord set from the Chords tool and also a sound preset from the new Kontakt synth. Sounds familiar, right? I will survive. Oh, as long as I know how to love, I know I'll stay alive. I got all my life to live. I got all my love to give. La 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 la. It's Into the Fields. It's the preset under Combined. There you go. Native Instruments hardware keyboard controllers pair very nicely with Kontakt 8. You can access most of the parameter controls with the knobs and even the chords and phrases tools. Even if your main keyboard controller is not from Native Instruments, I highly suggest even getting the M32, their cheapest keyboard. It really gives you some good hands-on control of Kontakt 8. If you're interested in exploring more from Native Instruments, I've created a video demoing all the latest instruments included in Complete 15. You can watch that video right here. Keep making the music you love, and I'll see you soon.